Let's take a look at your dashboard. We'll start with an overview of each section, then dive into some more detail. Your dashboard provides an overview of what's going on in your Hero Harmony account, with the following sections. News, important news about your Harmony service and account. This is where you'll see system issues, available updates, and more. People, issues that you should be aware of regarding the people you do business with. Here we see an owner's anniversary, and you have an annual performance bonus option to look into. You'll also see vendors with expiring workers' comp, occupants with a status that's waiting for something, boards with elections coming up, and dozens of other people issues that you should be aware of or looking into. Calendar, upcoming events on your calendar. Here we have a scheduled communication. We need to call this owner about a renovation in progress. Click an individual calendar item for details, or click the calendar heading to view your full calendar. Ideas, key concepts regarding Harmony features and functions. Scroll through various ideas with the arrows to read more. On some ideas, you can click the heading to view a full article explaining the idea or feature in detail. Your account may not have all of the functions enabled that are covered in ideas, but you can easily upgrade if you see a feature you like. Updates and alerts. Processes that have happened while you weren't looking, and alerts of important issues. You'll get an alert when someone does something in their portal that you need to be aware of, or when someone completes a similar login-less function. You'll also see things the system did automatically on your behalf, like renewing a lease month to month, or ending a recurring activity. Click the heading for a legend of icons and explanation updates. You can typically click the expand icon on any alert to view the full details. Action boxes, items to be addressed and resolved. Every day you should be looking at your action boxes. These are all the things you need to do to keep everything current and be aware of what's going on in your company. In this example, we see that we need to add some units. There's nothing to do if you don't have any units. Next we see that our company workload is really low, and our company efficiency is right in the middle. Then we see an expired business license on one of our vendor services agreements. This is an important one, so the action box is dark in color. We also see that one of our vendor services agreements has an expiring workers' comp. It's not expired yet, so the box is light in color. We can click these boxes to see the list of agreements that need attention. Continuing on, when you first get your account, you'll see action boxes to configure each component of your system. Once you've visited these, the action box will drop away. You can also just go to settings on your own, and drop all the reminders in the action boxes. Page guide. On the right side of each view, you'll see a page guide. At the top is custom guidance you provide for your own team, that can outline specifics on how you want your people to interact with that specific area of the system. Below that is the system guide, which provides a broad overview of the view you're looking at. If you want to hide this guide permanently, click the Got It checkbox. Or, hide it temporarily with the toggle page guide icon. The dashboard is also your starting point to dive into Harmony features and functions. The first icon is your custom menu. Select any favorite menu icon on a view to add it to your custom menu. Drag options up and down to resort, or drag them off the menu to remove them. This allows you to quickly get to any view in Harmony. Next is the team menu icon for property manager accounts. This shows your team and their current status, whether they're currently online, away, busy, or in Do Not Disturb. You can send a chat message to any team member from here. The Places menu icon takes you to the Harmony Places system. This is where you will interact with the places you manage and market, the units and properties. The Website menu icon takes you to the Harmony website system. This is where you'll view and administer your website, email, and domain names. The Management menu icon takes you to the Harmony management system. This is where you'll interact with all the people you do business with, and the functions you perform in business, like accounting, time management, task management, communication, maintenance, and more. The Search Anything box is Harmony's universal search that allows you to search anything. Enter what you're looking for, and Harmony will show everything related to that search. From here you can go directly to any item in the results. The Quick Launch buttons are configurable buttons that you can add to your menu. They take you directly to functions with a single click that might otherwise require multiple clicks. Items like recording an invoice, receiving a phone call, sending a text, viewing company reports, and more are available as quick launch buttons. Configure these from Settings, Menu and Guides, Quick Launch buttons. The User Profile allows you to view and edit your own profile. Additional user and agent functions are available in Settings. The Settings icon is one that you'll want to get familiar with. Harmony is highly configurable so that it works the way your business works. Hundreds of settings allow you to precisely configure your software exactly to your liking. The Help icon is where all your questions get answered. You can search our answer base of written articles, chat with our AI hero Hank, or submit a support request to our team. The Page Track History icon opens the track of everything you've done, so you can easily track it and return to anything you recently did. Now that you're comfortable with the dashboard, it's time to dive in and take Harmony for a spin.